Hello and welcome again. So this is going to be a short video on JQuery loop, and so let's get right to it. JQuery loop. We got UL elements, and inside that UL elements we got LIs. Inside that LIs we got M's, right? Two M's, and we got three classes with mylist, mylist, mylist. This is the list, and I added some style to the mylist, and so let's go see what it looks like. Looks like this. Uh, the styling for the mylist, and so let's just get right to styling the LIs. Sorry, selecting the LIs with JQuery. So you're going to select LI. First, you're going to select the M's, alright? LIM, and you're going to add a class. List M's. So we just added list M's to LIs, right? Added the class list M's to LI with the inside that has like emphasis inside the list items. And to show that, list M's, right? So now if we go and say list M's, list M's, and copy this styling for them, we get alright, so now I get it. We got the emphasis, and emphasis is we just have to do display board. That may fix it. Alright, that fixed it. So we're styling the emphasis, and emphasis has a class list M's. So we're just looping through the list item M's, right? We don't need to do for each or for while loop, do while loop like JavaScript, because this is jQuery and making it easier, right? Now we got list items, and we got the classes my list, right? Select my list and say let's say remove class, or where did remove class go? Right, let's just do height. Am I not still? Oh, okay. Sorry, it's gonna be now. It's gonna work. Alright, so I made a mistake giving some space inside. You cannot give any space there. You just gotta like do this, like a CSS style, right? But in CSS selector we can use space, but inside jQuery we can't. But anyway, let's do add class. We can add maybe add new classes and do like 10. Let's do 10. Add class list M's, right? What if we do this, and voila! The elements still have the list my list class, but list M's comes after my list, so it overrides the my list, if that makes any sense. So that's just a quick example of looping through list items or looping in jQuery. Very simple, rather than using all the for loops, while loops, and shit in JavaScript. We can easily do that in jQuery. So that's all for today. That's the loop. Next video we're gonna be doing a method chaining. Next video is gonna be on method chaining. So that's all you get for this video, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.